Hi friends, I am Siddharth Jain, founder and CEO of HouseAlley.com. We are facilitating real estate investment opportunities to our clients from last 7 years. We specialize in Gurgaon market. Our clients range from all over India and we help them enter and exit in real estate at the right time to get the maximum returns. Today we're going to discuss about a builder who is coming in Gurgaon for the first time. Max Group. Max Group is an Indian company whose headquarters is in New Delhi, operating in the fields of life insurance, healthcare, hospitality, real estate, and independent senior living. They are coming with their township in Gurgaon Sector 36A on 12 acre of land parcel, which is a very prime location of Dwarka Expressway. Today I am going to show you the biggest development on CPR Road, Gurugram Sector 36A, which is the most upcoming sector in Gurgaon. Tara will be 2100 square feet, which will be a 2 BHK plus a multi-purpose room. Hello everyone, Siddharth Jain this side from HouseAlley.com. Today we are at project site of Max Estates and Max Antara, which is located bang on Dwarka Expressway, Sector 36A, Gurugram. If we talk what Max has done in their past in residential and commercial. In commercial, they have done Max Towers and Max Square, which is in Noida, and Max House, which is in Okla. In residential, they have done Max Antara, Dehradun, Max Antara, Noida, Max 222 Rajput, Dehradun, and Max Estates 128 Noida, which they have launched 1 year back. अगर हम लोकेशन की बात करें, ये द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे के सेक्टर 36A में पड़ता है, which is just next to Rizumi Waterfall Residence, which you can see on the left hand side, and right hand side Global City. हम पहले इस लोकेशन के प्राइसिंग की बात कर लेते हैं. रिजूमी वाटरफॉल रेजिडेंस जो आज के टाइम में 20,000 रुपीज़ पर स्क्वायर फीट पे सेल हो रहा है, एंड ग्लोबल सिटी में जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स आएंगे दैट विल बी नियर बाय अराउंड 35 to 40,000 रुपीज़ पर स्क्वायर फीट. अब आप में से कुछ लोग पूछेंगे 35 से 40,000 रुपीज़ पर स्क्वायर फीट, ये तो गोल्फ कोर्स रोड से भी ऊपर है. इट्स जस्ट बिकॉज ग्लोबल सिटी का जो ऑक्शन हो रहा है गवर्नमेंट का, दैट इज 1 acre लैंड पार्सल दे आर सेलिंग फॉर 62 करोड़ रुपीज. सेक्टर 36A जो द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे का सबसे पहला सेक्टर है, यहाँ से एयरपोर्ट सिर्फ 24 to 25 मिनट ड्राइव पर है. एंड इफ यू वांट टू गो टू NH8, which is around 5 minutes drive from this location. Max Estates is close to the upcoming ISBT and Heli Hub. Max Estates is having 30 acre of land parcel in Gurgaon Sector 36A, and they will be developing 10.4 million square feet, which has a net worth of 13,000 crore rupees. First, I'll tell you about Max Estates. Max Estates is coming with 4 towers, G plus 38 story building with 3 configurations. First configuration will be 2,500 square feet, which will be a 3 BHK plus a multi-purpose room. Then 3,000 square feet, which will be a 3 BHK multi-purpose room. And the biggest size is 3,800 square feet, which will be a 4 BHK plus a multi-purpose room plus study room. Max Antara is coming with 2 towers, G plus 38 story building. The smallest size in Max Antara will be 2,100 square feet, which will be a 2 BHK plus a multi-purpose room. The second size will be 2,500 square feet, which will be a 3 BHK plus a multi-purpose room. And the biggest size in Max Antara will be 3,000 square feet, which is 3 BHK plus a multi-purpose room plus study room. Last year, Max has launched their Max Estate 128 in Noida with a rate of 18,000 rupees per square feet, and it was sold in 2 days. If we talk about the pricing, what company is quoting right now is 19 to 20,000 rupees per square feet, all inclusive. There will be an inaugural discount also for some limited customers. If you are looking to invest in Max Estates or Max Antara, please contact us. We will get you a good deal with confirm allotment. One of the best and prominent builder of Noida is coming in Gurgaon, Sector 36A, Max Estates and Max Antara. Don't miss the opportunity to invest. Thank you so much for watching our channel.